In this question, we've simply got to make x the subject of the formula. And if you notice, we've got two occurrences of x. So we've got to cross multiply, multiply out, and then gather the x's together. Let's have a go at it. So cross multiplying first, I get 5x plus 3, and that's multiplied by y, is equal to, well, I might as well multiply this out. I get 8x. 4 times 7 is 28, so this is negative 28. Now I multiply the left-hand side out. So this is 5xy plus 3y, and that's equal to this lot. Okay, I need to gather my x's up and put them on the left-hand side and everything else on the right. So this 8x is coming onto the left and the 3y is going onto the right. They will change their signs. So I get 5xy minus 8x is equal to minus 3y minus 28. So therefore, taking an x out now, so this is we've sort of expanded and now we're factorizing. Taking x out as a factor, I'm left with 5y in the bracket minus 8. And that's equal to negative, I might as well put this on the outside of a bracket, 3y plus 28. So therefore, x is equal to this bracket on the top divided by 5y minus 8. And I can't see that that simplifies any further. That is going to be your answer.